All right, so I have a reverse osmosis system from Ecoviva, and this is the countertop edition. So there is a 2-liter reservoir, and we have a 1.2-liter carafe, and I just triggered a flush each time you put that back on. Now, I should probably go ahead and just unplug this for the moment. Now, for getting to the filters, it's really simple for this one. There's a little lid up here. All you gotta do is just pop that right off, which is held by magnets. And both of your filters are right here on the top. And all you have to do is just pop them up. So you got your CF. And you got your RO. Put the cover back on. Just snaps in place. And that's all you got to do when it comes to changing your water filters. Now this one does give you your TDS value for your source, which is going to be the tank and from your tap water or whatever you're getting your water from. And then your pure TDS will show you what is going to be purified into the carafe. And for those that want an explanation for TDS, I thought that theirs would actually be a pretty good one. TDS is an acronym for total dissolved solids. So pretty much it is the concentration of solubles, minerals, lead, copper, calcium ions, all of that stuff that you would find. And it also is going to vary depending on where your water source is. If you're on a well, you might have a lot more solubles when it comes to minerals and stuff. Now it's saying that my water is at a 262. That's what it is in this tank right now. Also, each time it does a flush, that number is going to go up because it will do a flush back into that tank. It is recommended that the flushed part of the water gets thrown out and then you just put fresh water in. It's not going to be bad. It's just going to have a higher concentration of those solubles in it. So right now we're at 263. If we go to pure TDS, that's going to tell us what the purified water is. And we're at a 17. It says, I'm going to go ahead and do a 1.2 liter. It's also going to monitor what the TDS is as it's doing it, which while it's going, it's probably a little bit more accurate, in which we're showing a 29. That's a pretty big difference from almost 300. According to reference charts, anything under 50 is excellent. And pretty much anything over 100 to 400 is in the fair range, which is a pretty broad number. And then once you hit the 400 to 500, it is poor. And then 500 plus is unacceptable. And now we have nice, clean, purified water. Now this is a smaller compact machine, so it would definitely be good for like dorm rooms, offices, apartments. But if you are looking for a water purifier, hopefully this gives you an idea what to expect with this one. This is the Ecoviva. It has a 2-liter reservoir and a 1.2-liter carafe. It works pretty quickly. It makes up to, I think it said 200 gallons per day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.